In this video, I will show you how to see the map on Nike Run. First, open the app. Right away, you will see a big Start button in the center. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you're on the Run Setup screen, just swipe to the right a bit. At the top, you'll spot the map option. Tap that. And there you go. It will show your current location and route if you're already running or planning to start soon. It is a great way to preview your path or just see where you are before you hit the road. When you're done looking at it, just tap the X at the lower right corner to close the map and head back to the main screen. Simple and easy. That's how to see map on Nike Run.